Hey guys, so Dustin here, PPC Pros. I'm showing this video because I want to show a example of what I always tell my team is that we should not be bidding on our clients' brands using smart bidding. So right now, this is our software brand, and we don't have a big brand. As you can see, we don't have a ton of impressions or clicks. We are paying $6.64 per click. And right now we are using max conversions. You can't see it, but we're using max conversions. And what I know from experience is that unless you've got a really big brand, like you've got a super big brand where people might be bidding on it to really compete against you, and even then it's subjective. I wouldn't always do this. Or like you've got people who will search your brand for multiple reasons. They're not just converting, maybe support, things like that. It makes almost no sense to do this. And every time we've ever done it, I've always seen the same sort of result with very few cases, which is on max conversions, when you've got a brand campaign and you've got a daily budget, ours is only $10 a day, but you can see we don't get many clicks a day. We end up overpaying for the bid. And realistically speaking, when it's your brand, you don't even have to do this. So if you're running into this issue, I recommend using a manual CPC or maybe even a max clicks bid strategy, as long as the traffic is good, but I would just go manual CPC. So in this case, instead of 664, we're going to go to campaign settings. We are going to change this, in case you don't know where to go, change bid strategy. And we're going to go down here, down here. Basically, if you want to get to manual CPC, just follow Google's not recommended options. And that's where you're going to be able to get to it. So let's go with manual CPC. And right now, I'll go ahead and hit save. I'll give it, a $2 CPC, something like that. And I may do a follow-up video, we'll see, where I just show you that we're probably not going to lose any impression share or anything like that and still have the traffic. That's typically how it goes. And if you have a client with a big brand, when you're bidding on a pretty decent sized brand, I don't mean like Nike, I'm just talking about a brand that's going to spend hundreds of dollars a month on traffic. This could have a really big impact. I'll give you a quick anecdote. We did this for a student loan company a while back. This is several years ago. And they were spending about $20,000. I think it was $10,000, $20,000 on their brand. Pretty big company. We went from max conversions then to manual CPC. They saw actually more traffic come in, and they saved well above what we charged them for management fee. So I ended up covering our management fee for them with savings just from their brand campaign. That was just the first thing we did, and we recouped a whole bunch of money for them right up front. So this can be powerful if you have a big brand. But just keep in mind, even for smaller brands, you're basically a lot of times overpaying for traffic you really don't need smart bidding for, in my opinion. So hope that helps. Take care. God bless.